Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my Walmart beauty unboxing. This is a quarterly subscription. It is free, but you have to pay for shipping, and it's $5. They do have a men's, I believe a men's box. I don't subscribe to that one. I just get this one. I believe this is the winter box. Wrap it. It literally comes just like this, you know. Alright. So these are products that you can, they're usually travel or trial size. You can find them at Walmart, which is great, so you don't have to try to hunt them down later on the internet. Celebrate your beauty. What's on the inside? Beautybox.walmart.com. You guys couldn't see that. And here's the inside of the box. There's a little card. Oh, they have a little survey. Then you can enter to win a $100 gift card. That's new. Always have some neat paper in here. Alright, so first things first is by Dove. It is the Go Fresh Nutrient Moisture Body Wash in the Pear and Aloe Vera scent. I've gotten some Dove body wash in here before. Ooh, that smells good. Like that. Awesome. I'm okay with that. Next in here is by Aveeno. It's their Daily Moisturizing Lotion in Sheer Hydration. Absorbs in seconds with a powder-like feel. Hydrates for 24 hours. That's awesome. We've also gotten Aveeno in here before. I'm okay with that. Because these are brands you're going to see at Walmart. Aveeno is always good to have, especially this size. And yeah. There is a little paper about Maybelline, which leads me to believe there's a Maybelline product in here. So this is the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in Clear. This is amazing that Maybelline came out with a clear lip liner, because the only other brand that I know of that has a clear lip liner is, I believe, Smashbox. As I always smack my camera, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have a Smashbox, and I like having a clear lip liner because sometimes you don't, whether you're putting a gloss on or you don't really want to show, it's a really weird color, you don't have a matching lip liner. So clear is always good to have. So this is awesome, and I'm glad that finally a drugstore is coming out with a clear lip liner, and it's an creamy automatic lip liner. Awesome. That is probably one of the best things I've gotten in a beauty box from Walmart. Next in here is a Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel, Refine and Clarify Gommage Type Peeling. Looks like a mask. By Sua. Simple skincare from the best of nature. Vitamin C and E, clarifying radiance, brighten. Never heard of this brand. So I'd be interested to try this. I'm always interested in trying out masks, so can't complain about that. And it's a peeling gel, so that's interesting. A super gentle and nutrient-infused exfoliator, mild enough for delicate skin types. That's great, because sometimes with peel-off masks with sensitive skin, they're just too harsh, and I have sensitive skin, or it can be sensitive. It's kind of finicky with my rosacea. But with a peeling gel, this might be a little bit more helpful. So definitely interested to try that. Next in here, so they also, Maybelline, right, that was Maybelline, sent us a Color Sensational lipstick. And this, I have the shade 565 Almond Rose, and it's matte. Ooh, let me go ahead and swatch that. That's pretty. That's a great nude. All right. So not only did they send us the lip liner, they sent us the matching lipstick. That is neat. That's cool. I'm excited about that. Next in here is this little pamphlet about Aquaphor, and it is the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. New. What? So I love Aquaphor. Aquaphor is great for anything, and I loved when they came out with like the squeezy tube applicator with like the foam tip, but they now have a spray. Okay, I don't really need, you know, my hands are a little dry. I don't really need this, but wait, do you shake it? Shake well before use. Hold 3 to 5 inches from skin. Alright, this is probably the best Walmart beauty box I've gotten because they're like new products to try that you're like, oh, that's neat, but let's see. How do I do this to show you guys without, I guess I'll just, oh my gosh, that is so cool. And it has that tacky Aquaphor. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. The little things, like medical things that excite me. I don't know. Alright, so that is cool. I'm really excited about that. And then the fact that I have a new clear lip liner that's drugstore. And the fact that they sent us a lip color to try it with. Yeah, so clearly this is my favorite Walmart beauty box I've gotten. I'm going to continue to subscribe to it. Definitely worth the $5. You know, you can't go wrong with a Aveeno or the Dove body wash. And the mask is great to try. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. What do you guys think? Do you subscribe? Are you interested in subscribing now? Let me know. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!